Hello, this is Project Management Pro version 13. I'm going to be covering a little bit of information about the application. Who is this application for? If you're a project manager and you belong to any kind of a firm that produces a product, or you need information to manage that product, then this application was designed for you. The professional series is not for everybody. If you have a minor interest in keeping track of your information, then this is not the right application for you. A professional level application is designed for a person that needs information on an ongoing basis and wants to track the mnemonics of an application or project that they're working in. What that basically means is it has to do with people, scheduling, drawings, and any kind of activity that's related to specifications and management of the production or proposal design, proposal development, and customer relationships and related information that has to do with tracking the customer process and the sale. It's a pretty big application. It consists of about 5 different applications all rolled into one. The best way to learn the application is to use the video help icons. When you click on them, like you clicked on the one for this screen, it'll give you information about the individual screen you're viewing. If you have questions about if the information that you're reading, or you are kind of having a difficult time, go ahead and click on this book or tap on that icon, and what it'll do is it'll take you to the FAQ webpage. In that web page, there are some videos that can be used to explain some of the functionality of the application, and there's some general information about doing finds and how to do them. We'll cover this later. But if you have any other questions that you cannot find the answers for, there's also a form on that page, on the web page, to ask questions and learn more about the particular information that you need to learn. So let's get going, and we'll start out by looking at the information on this screen where it says Getting Started. And this is a basic overview of some of the things you need to know about getting started navigating, like using the app map above up here. The app map, when you click on it, gives you all the different screens that are in the application that you would be working with. As you can see here, we're talking about projects, proposals, specifications, project specs, vendor information, deliverables, project drawings, parts, drawing tree, and parts data listing. Now, all these will be covered by using the video help as far as explaining how they're used. This is called a popover, and it brings up screen information. To close it, you can either click outside or click on the close popover, and that'll close that particular screen. So I'm going to click outside, and it's going to close it. The next thing is about the relational database. This explains a little bit about how the relationships work, and as we get into it, you're going to see where there's a Do Action button. A Do Action button, if it does not include an Add Record icon or a link, that means that that page should not be used to add new records. If you add a new record in that page, you're going to cause a problem for the application. The way you can do that is if you had an iPad and at the lower part of the screen you clicked on Add a Record, that would corrupt the records. So only use the application icons that are in the application to add records. If you do not see Add a Record, then do not add a record in that screen. The last thing is a little bit about the purchase that you made and some license agreements that you're accepting. Basically, not to distribute, copy, or loan or give any portion of this application to anyone else. If you do that, you breach the license, and you can be sued by OnTarget Solutions for that. If you have any questions, I said before, use this icon to go see the frequently asked questions. Thank you.